my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jadi. Welcome. So today I wanted to do this like fall makeup look. I know it's only September, but once September hits and all that, I just cannot wait to do like fall looks with the browns and the golds and just like all those beautiful colors. So yeah, today I thought that I will show you guys how I created this look, this fall amazing beautiful look. I love the way it came out. It's so pretty, amazing. Like I love browns and like golds together and brassy colors together. I think that they complement itself very, very nicely. I love this look, especially with the brown lip. So yeah guys, in a nice wing. I'm using new lashes today with the ones that I purchased and I wore in my haul. So yeah guys, I really like them, really like them a lot. They feel nice, they're not heavy, they don't irritate my eyes, so they feel really nice. So guys, yeah, let me not start rambling, because there you go, you see me, I'm already rambling. So yeah guys, please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, notification bell, to let you know when I upload a video, which is 3 times a week. Do not forget to become part of the butterfly family. And yeah guys, no further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm using this Revolution Pro palette, which I really love. I think it's like perfect for fall, and I'm gonna go in with the color Expedition, the shade Expedition, and also Timeless. I'm going to use these two colors together, the lighter one to kind of build up into the crease, and then the Timeless to kind of really bring out that brown color. So yeah, today I thought I would do this nice fall makeup look. You know, I've been dying, I could not wait. Once it says hit September, I was like yes. So yeah, I'm just getting this brush. I don't know the name of it because I got it at an Ipsy bag. I think it was an Ipsy bag, or I got it as a gift from someone that I don't remember. The brush doesn't have a name, so I'm just building it up, but I do like it because it's like kind of soft and fluffy. And I'm just building those two colors, Expedition and Timeless, together, mixing them together back and forth, kind of building it up and also putting it on the lid as well. And I'm just blending this back and forth, guys. Make it nice and seamless, always making sure to blend. You don't want any harsh lines, you don't want anything to look crazy. So you know, I just really try to really keep it nice and blend. Use the perfect brushes to kind of like make sure everything is blended in. And here I'm grabbing some of that Timeless and just adding it into the lid as well. And I take my time blending the shadows, and then I'm gonna go in with Timeless again. Like me with the shadows, I tend to kind of go back and forth because I really take my time, because I really want to build it and have the intensity that I want. And I just really wanted to stay, and I'm keeping it right there like in the crease. I'm not bringing it too high or anything like that. Here I'm getting a clean brush and I'm just blending those out, those edges, so it looks nice. And then now I'm gonna grab the color Velocity. It's almost like a red, like a brick red shade, and I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner of my eye, like the outer V of my eye, and bringing it in like halfway, like but not too all the way in, just putting it like halfway. So yeah guys, I really love this shade. I grabbed like a flat fluffy brush, shadow brush. This one I had for a long time, so the name already like faded away from it, so I don't know the name of the brush. Try to figure it out and find it. If I can, I'll put it down below, and if I don't, then I'm sorry. But yeah guys, I'm just blending this in. This color looks so pretty together. Like guys, when I'm sitting next to and I'm about to film, I don't know what I'm filming sometimes all I do is I legit just look at my palette and start looking at the shades and the colors and see like what I can put together. And that's basically how I come up with my eye looks. Sometimes I don't know, sometimes I feel inspired, I need to get inspired, so I look at other YouTubers or look at pictures of makeup and stuff. But most of the time I legit have to sit next to my palette and really think and look at all the shades to kind of come up with something. And here I'm just blending it nicely, just adding more of that Velocity, because sometimes when you're like blending everything, the shade can get kind of dull. So just, you know, packing more color on there to look nice and vibrant, and just going back and forth. Always make sure to go back and forth. I can't stress that enough. Make sure your shadows are nice and blended and they seem nice and seamless. You do not want anyone to see any lines or any like patchiness, because then it doesn't look cool, it doesn't look nice, you know. So yeah guys, and then I'm going in with the color Volcano, and this color is so pretty. It's like a shimmer, like how do you call it, like shimmer, but also like it's just very nice. Like it's such a nice color. You can use it with your finger, but I decided to kind of like spray with a flat shader brush, only because I feel like the color is more like intense, and it just looks so nice. And oh my god, look at it, it just makes it look so nice. I really really love these shades and oranges and brassy colors and all that. Like I feel like those colors are so nice, and it's like well blended nicely together, and it just looks nice. And just keep going back and forth, wetting the brush, applying it on the eye, wetting the brush, applying it on the eye, just going back and forth. Always remember to intensify as you want. You could use your finger if you don't want it to be that intense, but I figured I would do the brush and wet it because I wanted it to be intense. I wanted to really see that color, that volcano. So yeah, guys, I really really love this color. It's so pretty, and this palette is really good. Like this palette doesn't have a lot of doesn't have fallout or anything like that. So I really really like it. Really really, TJ Maxx has amazing palettes, guys. Check it out. And here I just went and grabbed that Timeless and just added a little bit more darkness into it, so kind of build it in the outer corner a little bit more. And yeah, so this looks really nice. I love it the way it's coming out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, voiceovers for me are so awkward. Like I don't know how, if anyone else feels that way, like comment down below. But like me, like I'm like, okay, I can only talk so much about the stuff, you know, like how can I continue talking. So anyways, then at the palette I grabbed I grabbed Pocket Watch, which is like a matte white shade, and I just apply that on the brow bone only because I don't want to put any shimmer in the brow bone, none of that. So I just wanted to keep it nice and simple. And yeah, so then now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner. Gel liner. This gel liner is amazing, guys. It's so amazing. Got it at Five and Below, but you can find it at Target, Walgreens, Walmart, any drugstore. You can find this stuff. This stuff is amazing, guys. Like this, out of all the gel liquid liners I've used and all that, I feel like this was one of my favorites because it just helps my my wing liner go on so nice and smoothly. I don't struggle. It's just, I don't know, it just helps me with it. Like it really legit get the perfect wing liner every time I use it. So I really really recommend, for those if you struggle with doing, you know, a wing liner and it's kind of hard, I really recommend you try this one because I'm pretty sure it will be nicer and easier for you as it has been for me. And let me tell you guys, like doing wing liner on camera sometimes takes me forever. Girl, it will take me, I could say a whole eternity just to put a wing liner. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some of my Essence mascara. It's What the Fake. I got this mascara at Ulta. It was like $2.99. I really love this mascara. Like if you don't want to wear lashes sometimes and you want your lashes to stand out, apply a couple coats of this and it looks like if you legit had lashes on, but you don't. So I'm going in with these lashes that I just purchased. You saw, if you guys see my video on my last haul, then I have purchased them at TJ Maxx. I saw them. They're like the Mink, the Fox Mink lashes. I love them. They're in the style Lavish. Here I just went in with my Poreless Elf primer and my stick Wet n Wild foundation, which is amazing. I love these combos together. They're so good. My skin looks amazing. And my skin has been looking amazing. I'm so happy about that. Even though I'm in time of the month, my skin still looks good. So yeah, guys, and then I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Satin Concealer. You guys know I love this concealer. It's amazing. Oh my god, it's so good under my eyes. So hydrating. It doesn't feel drying or anything like that. The other one, the Camo 69, I cannot. That one I feel like it's too harsh. It's too heavy for under the eyes. And I'm like, I can't do it. So I use that one for like spot correcting. Or there's days that I don't want to wear foundation, but I use that. And then here I'm just using a brush to kind of blend in my concealer. I tend to put concealer like in the inner corner of my eye where you see like darkness. And then in the outer to kind of give you like illusion of a lift. Like you have a lift. So I really like doing this technique. So then I'm just going in with my Fit Me loose powder. And I'm really just setting my skin, setting my face. This powder is so amazing. At first I wasn't feeling it, I didn't like it, but now I love it, and it's just amazing. You could use it as a loose a setting for your foundation, or you could just use it as a foundation without wearing liquid foundation. So yeah, now I'm just going into the palette and I'm going to do the same thing that I did on my eyes, on my lower lashes, guys. The same process. Speed through this part just because it's, you know, I don't want it to take too long and you guys kind of get the hang of, you know, doing the same thing in your lower lashes. Here I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my eye, the inner tear duct of my eye with the same palette, just with the color element. It's like a nice, beautiful color in the palette. So it has like a little gold in it. So I thought that would look nice as well. And here I'm using my Profusion contour palette, speeding through this process as well because I don't want it to take forever, blending and all that good stuff. And then using my Winter Flush Sephora blush, which I just got the nice little tan one, like a light brown. I didn't want to put too much blush on or anything like that. So yeah, guys, here I'm going to put my mascara in my lower lashes and blending my falsies with my real lashes. I'm using my new Wet n Wild Jam With Me lipstick. I thought it was perfect for this look. It's nice and brown. This lipstick is so hydrating, guys. It's amazing. Like, you need to go check it out at Walmart. It is so nice. They have the white one packaged and the black packaged. And then I added some of my NYX satin ribbon over it just to kind of put a little bit more definition, make it look a little nicer. And then I'm going in with my Revolution Strobe highlight, which I love. This highlight is so pretty and amazing. And it just gives you that gold, like fall and leaves and everything. It's just amazing. I really love this highlight so much. Just using my Body Shop face mist and applying. Make sure to do it. And this is the final look, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and join the butterfly family. And thanks to those who have subscribed. And like I always say, God bless you. And everywhere